I cannot figure this out. There are too many sections of this course I need. When can I find time to eat, or sleep, or binge watch Game of Thrones?
Have you tried mySchedule Builder? It's an application that will generate all possible schedule combinations for you based on your class selections. It allows you to evaluate which ones work best for you.
Wait, there's an app for that?
Yep. Just go to my.ucf.edu like you would for signing up for classes. To access mySchedule Builder, navigate to your Student Center and click on the mySchedule Builder link under the Academics bar. After you click on it, the mySchedule Builder instruction page appears. Read the instructions and then click the button in Step 1 to access mySchedule Builder. After you choose the semester you want and the campus you want to take classes at, you get to build your schedule, including breaks for work, for meals, and for binge watching TV. Once you have built-in breaks, you can choose your classes. Once you have all the classes you want to register for, then you can create multiple schedules. You can also compare schedules to find the one you like the best. Once you find your perfect schedule, you can send it to your myUCF shopping cart. Follow the instructions to add your schedule to your shopping cart. Finish enrolling, and you will have your perfect schedule.
Wow, thank you, Disembodied Voice. It really is that easy.
Almost. Go to registrar.ucf.edu/myschedule-builder for more details. mySchedule Builder, the tool to save you time. Build your courses and your schedule with your choices. Look for it at registrar.ucf.edu/myschedule-builder.